Hello. Happy, I don't even know what date is, but I'm getting ready to work out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos, and today I'm gonna be taking you guys through a leg day workout. Leg day is the best day. So that's what we're gonna do. We're on our way to the gym. We got our bag here. We're just gonna go to the car, pack our car, and then just go to the gym. The gym that I'm going to, hopefully it's not too busy. And we'll get some workouts in and we'll let you guys know. It might be voiceover, sped up, all the things. You know the drill because we don't want copyright. You know that. All right, let's go. This is so fire. Oh my gosh. You can kind of see the steering wheel. I think I'm gonna try to get, oh my God, my eyeball. I tried to get a mount. I have to look online to get a mount, but I think I might put you here. If not, oh, it's so nice over here. No, you're gonna go, yeah, you're gonna go right here. I think that's the perfect spot. I think that's perfect. It's like right in front of the monitor. So good. And then we'll just go from there. We are not falling behind on our gym because last week was a fall behind. But if you guys wanted to know, I got my period finally. It took a while, you guys. So if you guys didn't know from my last video, I was supposed to get my period on show day and I didn't. I ended up getting it 2 weeks after. So weird. So it took about, it was a lot longer. It took about like a month, and it took about 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it was 4 weeks. Because usually I'm on a 20, is it 25, 26 day cycle? I don't know. I don't know what's the thing, but it took long. So I was thankful. I was like, finally, I was looking forward to it. Like, I don't want to not have a period. I do want to have a period. So now I'm back on track. Let's go. I hope it stays. So for the record, what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 sets of a barbell squat, 10 reps, 4 sets of a hip thrust, 10 reps, 4 sets of a rear lunge, 10 reps, split squat with dumbbells, 3 sets, 12 reps, and then a monster walk with a band, and that is 4 sets, 20 reps. And then crunches, I'd like to do whatever I want. I don't really like to do what they say. I like to do what I want. Okay, we're gonna do this quickly. We're gonna do, I like to do whatever I want. And then from there, then I'm gonna do 30 minutes stairs. I wanna do 30 minutes, even though I'm supposed to do 20. I'm gonna do 30, because I have soccer later, but I love stairs and I wanna do 30. So I'm just gonna do 30, and that's it.
life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away. Until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get over.
I have music in my ear, so I can't hear. But if the music's on, I'll let you go on the stairs. Filming for me.
You're welcome.
You have to unwrap it for me.
Oh wait, are you ready? I'm gonna do the honors.
So that's it. That's the post. Come to your Not Finished Cologne, Springfield. Oh no, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it.
You can have the rest now.
All right, we're done.